Want to learn how to set up Outgrow exit pop-ups quickly and efficiently? You're in the right place. I'll walk you through exactly how to set them up so you can start using them to capture leads and boost your conversions. Whether you're brand new to Outgrow or just looking for a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll be able to set up exit pop-ups in no time. Stick with me because I'll also share an exclusive deal that'll give you an extended free trial of Outgrow, so stay tuned for that. First off, Outgrow is an interactive content tool that lets you create quizzes, surveys, calculators, and more to engage users and gather valuable data. One of the standout features is the exit pop-up, which appears when a visitor is about to leave your website. It's a fantastic way to capture leads you might have otherwise lost. Let's dive right in and set one up. First, sign into your Outgrow account or sign up for a free trial using the link below to get started with some exclusive bonuses. Once you're in, navigate to the Exit Intent tab from the dashboard. You'll see a Create New button, so click that, and you'll be presented with a variety of templates to choose from. Outgrow makes it easy so you don't have to start from scratch. Pick a template that fits the goal of your exit pop-up. Want to offer a discount? There's a template for that. Or maybe you just want to collect an email in exchange for a valuable piece of content. Outgrow has options for that too. After you select your template, customize it. Add the text, colors, and images that match your branding. Outgrow's drag and drop editor makes customization simple, and you don't need any coding experience. Next, you'll want to set the triggers for your exit pop-up. This is where you control when the pop-up will appear. Outgrow offers exit intent technology, which means the pop-up will only appear when the system detects that the visitor is about to leave your site. Perfect for capturing those leads right before they exit. You can also adjust the timing of when the pop-up triggers to optimize engagement. The goal here is to catch your visitor's attention at the perfect moment without being intrusive. Once you're happy with the design and triggers, save and preview your pop-up. You can see exactly how it will look when a user is about to leave your page. If everything looks good, it's time to deploy. Simply click Publish, and you'll be given a snippet of code to add to your website. Outgrow provides full integration guides for popular website builders, so you can easily add this snippet to platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and others. Now, let's talk about tracking and optimization. Outgrow gives you access to in-depth analytics to see how well your exit pop-ups are performing. You can track things like how many people saw the pop-up, how many interacted with it, and how many actually converted. This data will be invaluable in fine-tuning your pop-ups for maximum impact. One thing I love about Outgrow is its flexibility and power, which goes beyond just exit pop-ups. Whether you're creating interactive content to boost engagement or setting up other types of lead generation, Outgrow lets you experiment and optimize for better results. It's a one-stop tool for all your interactive marketing needs. And remember, if you're looking to dive deeper into Outgrow, you can access it completely free from the link below with an extended free trial. No commitments, just pure value. Take full advantage of Outgrow's features and start optimizing your exit pop-ups today. You won't regret it. To recap, Outgrow's exit pop-ups are simple to set up, and they're a great way to capture leads right before your visitors leave your site. With the tools and flexibility Outgrow provides, you can customize your pop-ups, track performance, and see great results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the first link below to access your exclusive extended free trial of Outgrow and start driving better results today.